Subtitles created by A. Don't subtitle. I can handle it alone.
Take the card there, my friend. That's why he picks the bad bike. I'll write for the engine at the end. Got it.
Subtitles made by Hazakal Subtitles and putting everything on it, putting everything around it.
You mess it up inside.
Hazakal.
Biztos, hogy víz volt még benne.
Bemegyek nézni?
Subtitles created by A.
Hazakal Subtitles.
A fékezésnél
The Hazakal subtitles were created by Hazakal.
Jön akkor a postul!
The subtitles were created by the subtitles.
Created by...
Hazakal.
The subtitles were created by Hazakal.
The subtitles were created by Hazakal. It can't be that big of a problem.
There isn't a very big problem. The subtitles for Hazakal were made by Egisarab.
Rather than honoring it here.
The problem is I have to put it through the doorway.
Subtitles created by Hazakal. Subtitles created by A.
Hazakal.
Subtitles created by A.
So there really wasn't much space where you could connect it like that.
Subtitles created by subtitles created by... You know what else I'm going to have trouble with? I don't know how they're going to be.
The subtitles were made by Hazakal.
The subtitles were made by Hazakal. The subtitles were made by Hazakal. The subtitles were made by Hazakal. The subtitles were made by Hazakal. The subtitles were made by Hazakal. The subtitles were made by Hazakal. The subtitles were made. The subtitles were made by Hazakal.
The subtitles were made by Hazakal. The subtitles were made by Hazakal. The subtitles were made by Hazakal. There's a forklift.
Is it good? Sorry, I can only afford a forklift like this. Small workshop.
Small subtitle created by Hazakal. Subtitle by Hazakal, created by Hazakal.
Subtitle created by... This will probably be a pretty cool little 300 horsepower setup. That turbine wheel isn't small for that.
So it's not that bad of a type.
Then I'll have to get the coupling. The eye is at the back. You didn't find it now, did you? A clutch? Yes, the one I had the Serenum for. It has the complete clutch assembly. The housing is there.
Yes.
So it will be weak. Yes, the one that came off the baby head. That was set aside. It was here with me, the ACT.
But did it go into the white?
Yes. Where's the white one? Never mind, just keep that in mind, please. Okay, got it. Now, all I have here is just this oil. I want to try this out. I need to modify the intake manifold, then work on the exhaust manifold. If needed, we'll replace it with a factory exhaust manifold. I'll leave some since Bubos will lose otherwise.
Oh, so it's already running there.
Downwards, right. The hump is shaped like this, and it'll get in the way here. Because, you know, you have to take this off from here like this, and then you can put the engine in. I think it'll be good.
The racing seat doesn't really fit in there.
No, we tried it. You can't close the door because of it, and you're sitting too high as well. Ankle tolerance. Wow, that's not a bad idea.
There are exactly two. We'll entertain ourselves. The Koku car and the idea is this big, and it can be secured.
Cool. It would be good because it needs to be openable. Yeah, and it fits comfortably. Well, I want to put a pipe back, which will be a handrail for the cards plus the belt holder for the first one. Like this. Like this, like this, like this, and then to support it so I can use these mounting points.
I'm curious how it's gonna go. I just watched a video about Rogo with the old setup.
He was able to make it all the way through.
He was able to make it all the way to seal.
So?
The 100 going strength, or how much? So now this will be doubled.
This will be good. It will be enough.
I'm going.
Because there's filming.
And I have training in the afternoon. We're doing drift school. Drift schools have really taken off among young people.
You said someone is very talented.
Young people are very talented now, so should I bring the things?
That you asked for. Good, understandable. To be continued.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
In the meantime, I realized that I shouldn't shoot from here, because then it will show over there.
Well, you have to take that out from there. It's nice we stopped here in the car, but probably just these two.
Blank plugs will be needed. The dashboard there is really tucked away.
You're really deep, damn it.
I think this is going to be love.
I think that's it for now.
You actually make a really silly face.
So I'll figure out which side is which. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh no, this is the other side. Okay.
Listen, let's put it on the film. They'll fit. Bye for now.
This is good like this, that's good over there, but supposedly a coolant hose can't fit here. If I knew I would use that little knob, where did we put the box? On the stock engine, this isn't here.
Just like on the regular SR, it's in the way.
That's right.
It actually has intake pipes.
Listen, the cylinder head is actually damn good, man. Should we install an oil cooler?
Well, if this thing wants to run, really from morning till night, now's the time.
Then I'll install the Mishimoto we got from the guy. Because I saw where it's leaking, I marked it. I'll fix this, and then we can use this oil cooler. So that's still for the future. Let's take off the water hoses from here then. Manch, make yourself useful with a caliper in the meantime. Please measure the diameter of this. Oh wow,
35.5.
awesome. We have 35 aluminum tubing and we can make the thing really cool.
What about the long tubes?
Aha. Maybe this was sold, right? This way we can put the whole shell in much more easily.
Yanni Moni, she bit me.
Whoa, uh-huh.
Rupert, I can't see in there, but isn't this small?
Well, no. I'm not sure this will be an ideal setup. I put a stock turbo on it, a stock turbo, okay, a 28, and 1 bar is not too impressive.
And I didn't keep it from the sheep. Well, it's not necessary. Well, it is necessary.
The height of car building, we're bolting things together. Assembling the engine is just screwing things together. Yeah, pretty much.
Dry. 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 Very good.
Yeah, those are fittings. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Large weldable fitting. Thanks for watching. It takes it down.
This. What a pity.
A few years later,
Well, 2 have already passed, and the 3rd is coming up soon.
that's why I say a few years later, many years later. He says it will last. I heard a young little piece. I know how to break it, champion.
I'm still researching that with him.
Done.
I think this is enough.
Chichichusili. It strips everything off. Oh. Why do all engine hoists use roller chains?
So you can mess with the cables there? Or I don't know yet.
This nonsense.
I'm struggling with this alone.
I'm not going to help you.
Don't help because you can't.
It fell down.
Well, that's possible.
Should I look for it?
No. You rev up the engine so well, I like it.
Ooh, damn, Moni. Damn, and the water is running onto my head. Shit, right into my ear. Come on, kids.
Dad.
I hit my head.
Maybe.
The VVT wanted to kill me here. Let's see. The problem is,
If we turn it like this, then it wants to go here.
But what if we pull it from here to make it go lower? It doesn't need much more here. It would almost go down. Okay. Okay, let's push it that way. One more? Now.
Okay. All right.
And which way should I go?
Straight ahead.
Backwards, down.
Well, forward and a little toward me.
Well, it's still far forward here. Here too.
It always just gets caught right away. Now it's in a good place. Put it behind the cradle too. Do it.
The WWT hump? If it can be screwed in like this, I'll leave it.
Let's get this engine crane out of here so we can see. Do we have a view? Yes, we can see the subject. Do we need another shot here?
No.
We don't want to?
We never need to take it out again.
There's exactly enough space. This bump is in the way, this recess. Obviously the gearbox will determine its final position. Maybe we should go get the gearbox, try it out, fit it, just to try it, right?
What? How tight are we?
Well, it pushes the hump forward just a little bit. This also touches the engine, because it's inside, you know. So, my problem is that, you see, the manifold came up here.
That's pretty tight.
I'm not sure I actually want to use this, by the way. It could even be good, because you know that one has a bleeder valve, and well, you have to check if the S14 radiator is compatible with it. So for one pipe, this is good here, like this. For an upper one, and then you need a lower pipe.
I'll check. I think the factory pipe is there. Wouldn't it be awesome to put a radiator across like this?
Good.
Well, look, I'm definitely going to move everything further in, because I'm going to put the intercooler here, and I'll put the radiator behind it.
We're almost putting in the turbocharger.
Not this. Here, this goes here.
How do you want it? You bring it down past the lamp and we put it up together? I guess so.
Well, that's for 2 people.
Okay, you grab the back, I'll take the front, and we'll lift it up.
It wasn't this heavy before.
Wait.
I don't know. Lift it, hold it, or do nothing. Oh, my head.
Wait.
Are you grabbing it or holding it, or what the fuck is gonna happen?
I'm going to shit myself.
I think this is too long for here. It's not good. Okay, let it down. Let it down, let it down, let it down. All the way. As far as it goes.
Like this, my office body can't handle this.
Now something like this is in the way.
Well, it's the hump. You have to cut it out, look.
I'll put a board here. Great idea.
There, done. We're going up to cut out the hump.
Like this. There's so much camber in this damn car.
I don't know why the lights shine backward.
Well, because you got on my nerves.
Throw these out of here. It really annoys me that they're here.
These. Give me that air freshener too.
It's still fragrant.
I went over into the Sierra.
I'm afraid I'll lose my balance and smash it into my hand, and it'll really hurt. That's what I was talking about.
You peeled off a lot of aluminum foil from there?
That's the best.
That's the best. Fuck you.
I told you not to come in and not to come over for it.
He left without a car, fuck. No?
Thank you.
Thank you. You're really freestyling it. I'm not afraid to jump in.
Everything will be fine.
I think it'll be really good. It just needs to fit with the air filter hose. That's what I wanted to put on.
Now it's in place.
You hear that? Damn good. That one too, and this one as well. This one's good too. Now it fits.
Do you think I can see it?
I'll see this from below.
Just barely.
You can
Plug in the connector, yes.
Very good.
I'll cut it here. I'll cut it here, and if I could turn this here, then right here like this. Tank looks down there like that.
Yeah.
I'll turn the butterfly. I'm turning the butterfly valve.
That is the back, that is the front.
Uh-huh.
I cut this nicely like this, you know? The front, the back, so this is basic.
There will probably be a lot of aluminum welding.
Excellent.
Do we like it? The intake manifold is done. We've figured out the water system. It'll have an exhaust manifold. We've figured out the turbo. It's a little turbo, but a quick responding one. We just need to get one from somewhere. I'll take care of the rest. We should add a muffler and have it exit to the side up there. It'll look cool. I think I have enough 76mm pipe for this.
There's a meter-long piece over there, maybe longer. I can also find a few good bends there.
There's a spot for the lambda sensor. I just bought 2, so I'll sacrifice 1 for this.
We'll test fit the radiator next week.
Why wouldn't it be good if the Nabuzi's code already says, Semek, this can be closed?
Well, listen.
If not, I'll be damned. Now we'll really laugh.